Okay, so I went ahead and put the fram filter into the drawer. I lined up the airflow with the airflow arrow on here, which should be down. There is a little bit difference in the original factory filter, that it has this little lip on the edge on each side, and that catches inside the frame of the filter. Now the fram filter doesn't do that because the edges are too thick, and so it just has to sit inside so that it's flush across the frame. And you can see on the edges there, it's a little thicker. I'm talking about the front and the back edge. Now it's a rectangular shape, it's not a square shape, so the filter only goes in one direction, and it's supposed to be lined up with the airflow. You can see here that the filter is sticking out a little bit. That's what I'm talking about. It's not fully seating into the drawer. However, I'm going to go ahead and try and put it in like this. And you can see in there is a fan. And this filter has kept all the leaves out of the fan. So you just slide the drawer back in till it snaps back in place. You put it in tight. So just test it. And then you just take the outside part and push it in. You don't need to put too much pressure, or you could break the glove box, but that's all it takes, and that's replacing the filter on the Honda Ridgeline 2019.